Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So great news for today. Instamatic was updated and it is once again functional with the latest Instagram changes, because they are keeping changing their stuff over and over again, and I am continuously working on this plugin to make it work again. So Instamatic is now functioning again. It is still able to post from Instagram to your WordPress site. It is not able to post from WordPress to Instagram yet. This feature is still not up and running yet, but I will be trying to make this work also. However, the Instagram to post feature is functional. So let me check this feature right now. The blog is empty from here, and let me import some content to my WordPress site from Instagram. So I selected an Instagram account, simply run settings, and you will see that importing will work. So here it is. The Instagram account got imported. So keep in mind, guys, if it is still not working for you after you make the update to the latest version of the plugin, you will have here in the settings two things you can try to make it work. So the first thing is log in to Instagram, check this checkbox, save settings, and run importing again. It might fix the issue that you are facing and importing will work again, or you can use a user agent string here in the plugin settings. So this should be the same user agent string that you use to log in to Instagram, to the account, Instagram account, which is entered here in the main settings. So simply write on Google search my user agent, and you will get the user agent that you should enter here. So let's enter here my user agent, and you will get this string. So this string should be copied and pasted here. So after you make this change and also check this checkbox, you might have the plugin once again working and functional again. So yeah, this is the things that you can do to make Instamatic work again after the latest update if it is still not working for you. However, there is a good chance that it will work after the latest update. So go ahead, guys, check the latest update of Instamatic, and if you haven't heard of Instamatic yet, click the link from this video's description, you will find it there. So yeah, thank you for watching this video until the end. For more similar stuff and updates, subscribe to this channel, it's really appreciated. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.